Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So Harry here, and hopefully you watched my last video on data structure. So this is my second video on data structure. So last time we talked about the list, right? And now we're gonna talk about the dictionary. Okay, so what is dictionary and how to identify it as a dictionary, right? It's very easy, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. So let me start with a proper definition of dictionary, right? A dictionary is a unordered collections of key value pair where key are unique and can be of any hashable data types, string, integer, tuples, and value can be of any data types. So dictionary are mutable. Mutable mean, I told you last time, you can change the value, you can remove the value, and you can edit the value, which mean you can like basically modify anything inside the dictionary, right? So let me give you the a rough example like how dictionary look like. You can see over here data dictionary, that is our variable, which basically are dictionary variables, right? Then we have a curly bracket, open and close, those define our dictionary. So if you see open and close curly bracket, right, that is our dictionary, right? So basically last time we have seen the square bracket for the list, so dictionary have a curly bracket. Okay, super easy. Now we need to know what is a key and value. So basically I have made it easy to identify you guys. This is key, right? So key 1 and the value is 1, where key 2 is our key and the value is 2, right? So basically I'm gonna run this, right? And there we go. So now you can see key 1, and that is our basically a key, and that is our value. That's key and that's value. Okay, so I'm gonna index this now. Indexing, I told you last time, like we can index inside our list. So last time on the data structure we're talking about list to check on the sequences, like which one appear as compared to the counting, right? So now we're gonna use indexing on dictionary, but see, dictionary indexing is very different. So on dictionary indexing you can only call the value with the help of key. If you call the key, if you input the key on indexing, the value will be automatically called off, right? So first I have to define a dictionary. That is my dictionary, which the dictionary I have defined on the top. Then basically I'm gonna index with the help of key, right? So for that, let me do that again, right? So let me make it easy. Let's say data, right? So you're gonna have a open and close bracket, right? Then you're gonna input the key. Then when you're gonna run this, it's gonna give you those values inside this key, that is 1. Similarly with the key 2, now you can see the values over here. So now I have defined another example for a dictionary, right? So I can put it like a data dictionary 2, right? So I'm gonna run this. Now I'm gonna call this again. So now you can see we have various mixtures of data over here. We have string, and we have of course integer. So Harry, age 24, gender male, location Glasgow. So now we want to make some addition, right? We want to edit and remove, right? So basically what I want to do right now, I just want a simple thing, simple operation, right? I just want to remove something from here, right? So I will say pop, right? I want to remove age, right? So I will say pop age, right? And then I will gonna call those data again. So now you can see my remove has been age from here, right? And we can do something more crazy stuff, like we can add something on this, right? And how to add on this, right? So I will say data dictionary, right? So and I will define something like let's say city, right? No city, let's say like sport, right? And let's say football. So data dictionary, now you can see the football has been added inside our dictionary, right, over here. So football is our value and sport is our key, right? And similarly you can do a lot of crazy thing inside the dictionary. So this is the one of the important data structure in our data world. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next video on tuple, right? Cheers guys, thank you so much.